Hi, in this video I will show you how to log in HelloFresh account. So what you can do is you can just head over and then go to HelloFresh.com. As you can see, they actually offer meal plan, free breakfast, first box ships, dinner, and everything right here. So if you want to log in, just click on this login option right here. And then after that, it will show you this login page. So what you can do is you can just head over and put in here your credentials, such as email, as well as your password. Now click on this login right here once you're done. And you can also log in without password, but it will ask for your email in order to get the magic link. So if you actually forgot your password as well as your email, you can head over and then just forgot it. If you want, click on forgot password, enter in here your email, and then it will send an OTP to that email in order to retrieve your account again. Then once you're done with that, you should be able to log in successfully. So that's how you log into HelloFresh account. I hope this video helped you out.